we hustle, never equity. Sell back time, but we never own the legacy. Paper in your hand, but your mind still in a debt. Them lease out your dream, can't collect. Nah, brother, check numbers, read fine print. Who write contract, who owning, who own land, who pay rent, who get rich when the black get gentrified again. I tell me young king, stack for the title, not ring. House now your name, not fling. Trust fund, trust self, just swing. Invest in the thing where you build from the basement. Vision on the wall, not just on a bracelet. Silence in the room, but the plan loud. Calm face, but me thinking about my grand picnic proud. Rise up, own your life, own your lane. Nah, sell soul for little hype, little fame. Nah, we a build legacy, pass down the game. Name on the deed, not just on a chain. Rise up, own your life, own your lane. Rise, blueprint drawn, we are signed with we brain. From the block to the boardroom, same campaign. Name on the deed, not just on a chain. System set like dice, always roll for them. So we have to write rule book, start with pen. Babylon love, see we buy it when we own. So them flood we with flex, keep we far from home. Me tell me girl, stacks over shopping spree. Me tell me charge it, equity over NSC. If you can't sleep, check how your money move. Peace come quick when assets improve. Them say, live fast, young and reckless. Me say, live wise, make your bloodline restless. Forgive thanks, every month time pay day. Cause ancestors fight for we even get a say. So my plant tree, my plant code, my plant seed. Books on the desk, give the youth what them need. Is a long game, chess clock tick slow. But kings stay calm while the kingdom grow. You know who you build it for. Only yourself or tree life more. When you're gone, who I walk through door. Your youth are the man from the liquor store. Rise up, own your life, own your lane. Rise now, sell soul for little hype, little fame. Now we have build legacy, pass down the game. Name on the deed, not just on a chain. Rise up, own your life, own your lane. Rise up, blueprint drawn, we are signed with we brain. From the block to the boardroom, same campaign. Name on the deed, not just on a chain. Legacy, legacy.
Them teach different things. Never teach stocks, just spend things. Mama come kind, I read in the night. Gas bill, I still pray for the light. From the boardhouse, breeze leak choosing. Man learn hustle, numbers and ink. Them have to on the roof, not just the key. If it can't pay your back, it can't own me. Uncle get trapped in a pawn shop loop. Chain pon him neck, chain pon him youth. Me say boss up, buy back your time. He say system lock, me say pick one line. From sufferation to generational, we not die for no corporation. Brick by brick, build the foundation. Own what me own, that are the proclamation. From sufferation to generational, write me name in the land, that a documentation. Them sell dream by the acreage. Legacy tall like scripture page. Them say just work, take pension hush. Me say ownership, equity plus how struggle for decades and pass down stress. Me want pass down here cause access. Man used to flip same pack, same corner. Now me flip beat, sign line, call lawyer. From hand to mouth to one to asset. Me want me kids argue about budget, not debt. Deep thought when the ganja light slow. If me gone now where the little ones go. Me a name pan a chain that shallow. Me want principle we guide them tomorrow. Some buy little lot where them laugh on. No taxi and shop jam park pan. Every rent check sing like choir. See them little dirt them call tire. From sufferation to generation. I'll write me name in the land that a documentation. Them sell dream by the acreage. Legacy tall like scripture page. System designed to keep man sleep. Some read fine print secret deep. Who sign paper control the scene. Some sign two but for me team. Them want youth flex in a borrowed ride. Me want youth flex with a house inside. Them want quick trip, quick validation. Me teach long plan, slow cultivation. Sufferation to generation. All we not die in a corporation. Brick by brick, build the foundation. Own what me own, that are the proclamation. From sufferation to generation. I'll write me name in the land that a documentation. Them sell dream by the acreage. Legacy tall like scripture page.
Blessing. Every step, no guessing. My soul's profession, a divine possession. Them Babylon system, a mere suggestion. Jah guidance, my inheritance, my instance, my circumstance. Jah guidance, a true romance. Man, I build this empire brick by brick. No quick fix, just the spirit's flick. From the concrete jungle, the vision stick. A legacy flowing thick and quick. No time for the trick, the wicked slick. Jah guidance, my inheritance, my instance, my circumstance, Jah guidance, a true romance. The youth them watching, looking for a sign. Show them the pathway, make it truly shine. From the ancestral line, a power divine. This wisdom I share, it's yours, it's mine. No limit, no confine. Jah guidance, my inheritance, my instance, my circumstance. Jah guidance, a true romance. Yo, born from the struggle, concrete jungle, mind sharp, vision tunnel. See the future, never stumble. Them try to hold we down, but we rise humble. Still stacking paper, word to the wise rumble. Spirit rebel, soul ignite. Them can't dim this in a light. Legacy built, brick by brick, sun up tonight. Ownership, every single right. We are the architects with foresight.
never so bright. From the block to the boardroom, same hustle, different suit. Roots run deep, can't dilute. Planting seeds, bearing fruit. Never compromise, stay astute. Every step a statement, no substitute. Them see the glow, wanna replicate, but the blueprint's coded, can't confiscate. Legacy built, brick by brick, sun up tonight. Ownership, every single right. We are the architects with foresight. Rebel soul, shining ever so bright. Philosophies etched in stone, ancient scrolls, guiding hands, playing vital roles, breaking chains, taking full control, watching our story unfold, reaching new goals. Legacy built, brick by brick, sun up tonight. Ownership, every single right. We are the architects with foresight. Rebel soul, shining ever so bright. Concrete jungle, sun bleeds crimson. Babylon sister, still running prison. Mental shackles, harder than iron bars. Man for wake up, reach for the stars. Ancestors whisper through the ancient breeze, planting seeds of freedom on bending knees. Babylon falling, hear the trumpet sound. Foundation shining, foundation shaking from the underground. Legacy we're building, legacy we building, brick by brick strong. The future we own it, where we all belong. From the are shaking from the underground. Legacy we build the ground. Legacy we build it, brick by brick strong. The future we own it, where we all belonging, where we all belong. Babylon falling, yeah. The system cries. New world rising, yeah. From the ashes fly, yeah. From the Kingston streets to the LA sprawl. One mission, one vision, standing tall. No surrender, no retreat, just forward ever. Break the cycle, make it better forever. The power is yours, man, deep in your soul. Take back what's yours, make yourself whole. You're from the concrete jungle, born a cub, heart a thumping. Blueprint in my mind, never bluff, always something. Pre-division, high definition, no submission. Stacking blessing lessons, precision, my mission. Lion's pride, deep inside, can't hide. Legacy wide, flowing like the tide, never deny. Lion's pride, deep inside, can't hide. We're building empire, fire, higher, unified. Man, I say, success and no sprint, it a marathon. Every step I print knowledge on and on. Them fi know we sow seeds, watch them grow. From the struggle overflow, let the wisdom flow. Lion's pride, deep inside, can't hide. Legacy wide, flowing like the tide, never deny. Lion's pride, deep inside, can't hide. We're building empire, fire, higher, unified. Ownership, real talk, no lip service. Generational wealth, true purpose. From the ground up, no luck, just grind. Leave a mark, a spark for all mankind. Lion's pride, deep inside, can't hide. Legacy wide, flowing like the tide, never deny. Lion's pride, deep inside, can't hide. We're building empire, fire, higher, unified. Man, I build from dust, from dregs, only things by me head. Still me walk with the lion step. Watch this. Them want own your mind, own your name. Me just own my scars, own my pain. Turn concrete crack to a family lane. From a broke little room to a bigger campaign. My granny said, stand firm, no sell out your soul. System cheap, but the price pan control. Them print paper, we print legacy. Write my last name large pan the pedigree. Stack brick, palm brick, that a discipline. Long road, but me still keep visioning. No hype, man, I move with humility. Still a boss up, calm with ability. One love, one dog, but me own this. Ownership in my bone, me no loan this now. From the zinc fence straight to the throne list. legacy lock in, me done script the whole list. One love, but me own this. Plant seed, plant tree, plant whole forest. If me drop them, still hear me in a chorus. Legacy loud, even when them can't know. Yo, them chat about vibes, me chat about shares. Yeah, cause to count them in praise. Generational, me plan with care. So me youth can't ball about life unfair. Deep things, but me calm when me reason. Why beg get past when we day for build kingdom? Me sign my own check, me sign my own deal. Me write my own law when the contract real. Nipsey type PS, marathon in a breeze. Reggae in my veins, Cali sun in the trees. Dope in on my head, so me echo each line. Till my great grand picnic still quote me design. One love, but me on this. Ownership in on my bone, me no alone this. From the zinc fence straight to the throne. Blitz legacy locked in, my done script the whole list. One love, but me on this. Plant seed, plant tree, plant whole forest. If me drop them, still hear me in a chorus. Legacy load, even when them can't know us. Who ya give your power? Who ya give your dreams? Me young, but me ancient with schemes. Me pray, then me write, then me move with that team. From the block to the boardroom, same regime. One love, but me own this. Ownership in on my bone, me no alone this. From the zinc fence straight to the throne list. Legacy lock in, me done script the whole list. One love, but me own this. Plant seed, plant tree, plant whole forest. If me drop them, still hear me in a chorus. Legacy live long, can't ignore us. Nah.
A fortress, walls thick, thoughts deep. Ain't no landlord in my head, soul's property I keep. Built this empire brick by brick, sweat no sleep. Future bright, vision clear, promises I read. Freedom calling, can you hear the sound? My own ground, king on my own mount. Legacy strong, planted profound. Ain't no fakes, real G's all around. Them say I'm mad, me say them blind. Can't see the blueprint, every step I chest move, no accident, no hint. Patois flowing, wisdom glowing, never stint from the concrete jungle. Rose a diamond, no flint. Freedom calling, can you hear the sound? My own ground, king on my own mount. Legacy strong.